I can see the screen.
Okay, Lesandu, what about you? Okay. Okay, second question. Write the number in standard form 3,045,250,025. Okay, check your answers whether this is your answer. And let me know if it is correct. Angela, is it correct for you?
Yes, miss.
What about Lesandu? Sandul, is your answer correct? Okay, well done. Let's move to the next one. We have to simplify 2,805 divided by 50. What would be the answer? What is the answer? Who's going to tell me?
Miss 187.
187. Well done, Pute. Next one. The area of one square is given by 1 cm2 or else 1 square centimeters. Find the area of the given figure. Okay, now let's count down how many squares that we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the last line. And then in the next line, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I'm considering the corner 2 as 1 square. Okay, because it is representing half a square. I'm considering the last 2 as 1 square. Okay, so in this one, we have in the second row, we have 5. In the third row, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, what about the triangles? Triangle is equal to what? Any idea? Who can tell me? What is the area of the triangle? No idea? So how we are going to calculate the area of a triangle? We can have half multiplied by the base multiplying by the height. Okay. Now what is the base and what is the height? Now you can see Pute, the triangle is having the base of the same length as the square. Okay. That means one side of the square is 1 centimeters. How did I get it? Because they have given 1 centimeter square is the area of this square. That means Pute, one side is equal to 1 centimeters, isn't it? So because of that, I know the base is equal to 1 centimeters and approximately the height is also equal to 1 centimeters. That means half multiplied with 1 centimeters multiplying with 1 centimeters. So the answer we get is equal to, again, half, 1 over 2. Okay, so 1 square centimeter, sorry, half square centimeters is equal to the area of the triangle. Okay, so how many triangles we have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so 4 triangles means the area is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by 4, which means, what is the answer? We get 2 cm2. Okay, I'm not going to write the superscript because this is not allowing me to write the superscript. Let me write it like this. Okay, Pute? And then now we know the area of the triangles. Now we have to find the area of all the squares. Now all together we got 16 squares. Okay, so one square is having an area of 1 cm2. That means we are multiplying 16 with 1, which is equal to 16 cm2. Okay, Bute? Now we simply have to add 2 to 16. 16 plus 2, we get 18 cm2. Okay, Pute? Is your answer correct? Prasandu, Angela, what about your answers?
No, Miss.
Okay. Whenever a triangle is given, you cannot compare it with the square, Pute. Okay? You have to use your imagination. Now, this square is having the base of the same square, no? Sorry, this triangle is having the same base as the length of the square. Okay, so because of that, you know the length of the base, that is 1 centimeters, and height is also approximately 1 centimeters. Is it clear now how to get the answer?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Pute, well done. Next question. 3 liters and 450 milliliters of fruit juice is mixed with 375 of water. Then 1 liter and 400 milliliter of mixture is used. What is the total volume of the mixture? What is the answer? What is the total volume? We simply have to add 3 liters and 450 milliliters with 375 milliliters. What is the answer that you get?
Miss, 3 liters, 825.
3 liters and 825 milliliters, Pute. Well done. And what is the remaining? We have to subtract 1 liter and 400 milliliters from 3 liters and 825 milliliters. What is the answer that we get?
Miss, 2 liters, 425 milliliters.
2 liters and 425 milliliters. Well done, Bhupe. This last one, we have to simplify. We have a very easy question, isn't it? We can take the common value as 14. So at the top, it will be 1 plus sorry. Give me a minute. Okay. 1 It should be underlined. Should be 1 plus 4, and we get the common value as 14. Okay, Pute? So what will be the answer? What is the answer? 5 over 14, isn't it? Yes. All right, a really easy one. Next one, write down all the integers between -3 and 2. Can one of you tell me?
Miss, can I tell?
Yeah, Angela, go ahead.
-2, -1,
2, -1,
0, 1.
1. Well done, Pute. -2, -1, 0, and 1. Okay, now we have to write 2, -3, and 0 according to ascending order.
-3, 0, 2.
Okay, -3, 0, and 2. Well done. Well done, Lisandro. Okay, next. Give me a minute, Pute. All right. We have to simplify the given. We have time. Minutes and seconds are there. 45 minutes and 30 seconds together with 5 minutes and 45 seconds. What is the answer? 30 plus 45, we get 75. Can we keep 75 here in the seconds row?
No.
Sorry, seconds column? No. Then what are we going to do? We are going to subtract 60 from 75. We get remaining what? What is the remaining amount?
15.
15. Well done. And then we are taking 60 seconds to the minutes row, minutes column as 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute plus 45 minutes, we get 46 minutes. 46 minutes plus 5 minutes. What is the answer?
51 minutes.
51 minutes. Well done, Pute. Next, hours and minutes. We have minutes 15 and 50. So 15 plus 50, we get 65. We cannot keep 65 there. So we are going to subtract 60 from it and keep the remaining as 5. So 60 minutes will go to the hours column as 1 hour. So 1 hour plus 5, we get 6 hours. 6 hours, is it minus? Oh, Pute, yes. I'm sorry, I didn't see that. Here we have an subtraction. Okay, so 5 hours and 15 minutes minus 1 hours and 50 minutes. Okay, so we cannot subtract 50 from 15. So what do we have to do? We have to take 1 from the hours column. So when we are taking, hours will become 4, and when we are taking 1 hour to here, it will become 60 minutes. So 60 minutes plus 15 minutes, we get 75 minutes. 75 minutes minus 50, we get 25. Okay. Now here we have in the hours column, we have 4. 4 minus 1, we get 3. 3 hours and 25 minutes. Is it correct, Pute?
Yes, Miss.
Well done. Okay, 10th question. Write down the shaded part as a fraction of the whole figure. What are the answers that you wrote?
4 over 12.
What, Angela? I can't hear you.
4 over 12.
2 over 12. Okay, let's see.
No,
Now
miss,
you're
it's
considering
4 over 12.
4 over 12. Is it like
2
this?
over 6. Yes, miss.
Okay, what about lesson 2?
2 over 6.
2 over 6. Let's see. Now how many parts we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And 4 parts are colored. So 4 over 12 is correct. And when we simplify that, we get 2 over 6. Well done, Puti. Both of you, well done. And Angela, it's better if you can keep it in a simpler version. Okay?
Okay, miss.
All right. Insert the suitable symbol out of greater than, less than, and equal in the blank. What about this one? First one?
Miss, 3 over 4 is greater than 11 over 20.
Legs. Yes, 3 over 4 is greater than 11 over 20. What about this?
Miss, 3 over 7 is equals to 12 over 28.
Well done, Putir. This is equal. If we get the answer, if we get the value, it shows as equal. Well done. Next one. What are the types of angles represented by A, B, and C in the figure? What about A? A is right here, Putir, okay? A is here, B is here, and C is here. What about A?
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle, well done. What about B?
Straight angle.
Straight angle. C?
Reflex angle.
Reflex angle. Well done, Putir. Question number 13. Lesson 2, are you also following?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Question number 13. Write two numbers which can be divided by all three numbers 2, 3, and 4. What are the two numbers that you wrote? Angela, go first.
Miss, I wrote 12 and 36.
Okay, let's see. 12 and 36. Well done, Putir. What about lesson 2?
12 and 24.
12 and 36, 12 and 24.
Yes.
Well done, Putir. Both are correct. Next one. Simplify the given values. 3.8 plus 4.75. What is the answer?
8.55.
8.55. Well done. When we add 5, we don't have anything to add, so we add 5. 7 plus 8, we get 15. 15. So we are writing the 5 and the remaining 10 will go to the next column next to our decimal point. So 4 plus 3 plus that remaining one will give us 8. Well done. Next one. 4.75 minus 3.8. Now what? What is the answer?
0.95.
0.95. Well done, Pute. Okay, prime numbers which is less than 10. What are the prime numbers less than 10?
Miss 2, 3,
Yes.
5,
Hmm.
7.
Well done, Pute. 2, 3, 5, and 7. What is the smallest composite number?
Miss it's 4.
It's 4. Yes, well done. Lasandu, hope you are following as well, Pute. Let me know if you have any questions. Next question. Fill in the blanks. 360 centimeters in meters. What is your answer? How many meters are there for, how many centimeters are there for a meter? We have 100, right?
100.
So 360 centimeters means how many meters?
Miss 3.6 meters.
3.6 meters. Well done, Pute. Next one, 3 kilometers and 80 meters. What about this? In meters?
Miss 3080 meters.
3080 meters. Well done. Okay, the perimeter of a rectangle is 36 and the length is 10. So what would be the width? So how we are going to get the perimeter? We have to add all the sides together. So 36 is equal to 10 plus 10 plus width plus width. Okay, so 2 times width plus 2 times 10 is the answer. So 2 times 10, if we subtract 2 times 10 from 36 is equal to 10 times 2 plus width times 2. Okay, so 36 minus 10 times 2 means 20 is equals to 2 times width. Okay, Pute? So 36 minus 20, what is the answer?
Miss 16.
16, and 16 is equal to 2 times width. So in order to get the width, we have to divide 16 and 16 by 2. 16 divided by 2, we get 8 centimeters. Question number 18. Gimhani has X rupees. She spent 70 rupees to a book. Write the remaining amount of money she has in an algebraic expression. So she has X rupees. So she is going to spend 70. So if she is spending, in order to get the remaining, we can subtract 70 from X. So this is equal to the algebraic expression for her remaining amount of money. Check, put there your answers. Second one, if the remaining amount of money she has is 40, what is the initial amount she had? So 40 is equal to X minus 70. That's what they are saying. So if we, in order to find X, what we should do? We should add 40 and 70 together. So what is the answer?
100. means 110.
110. Yes, Pute, well done. 110 is the answer. Okay, write the ratio 24 and 16 in the simplest form. In order to get the simplest form, what is the number that we can divide these two?
Miss, we can divide it by 4.
Let's see. If we divide it by 4, we get 6 and 4. Is this is the simplest form?
Then I divide it again by 2.
That means, Pute, we will get 3 to 2. So 3 to 2 is the simplest form. We can easily obtain this by dividing 24 and 16 both by 8. Okay, so whenever you want to find an simplest form, go for the biggest number that you can divide. Okay, Angela?
Okay.
Write 64 as a power of 4. What is the power of 4? How many times we have to multiply 4 by itself to get 64?
Miss, 4 to the power 3.
4 to the power 3. Well done, Pute. 4 multiplied by 4, we get 16. 16 multiplied by 4, we get 64. Last question. The length, width, and the height of a cuboid is 10 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 6 centimeters respectively. Draw one face of the solid and mark the measurement. Okay, I will send the answer to this one after the class, Pute, okay? Because it will take time to draw. All right?
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Miss,
Yes,
Miss,
Angela.
for the 8th question, Miss, what is the answer?
8th question is not clear, Pute. I will check it with another copy and we'll let you know, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, question number 1 of part 2. Shall we quickly do it? And then we will discuss. I will give you around 10 minutes. Quickly do it and then let's discuss. If you finish
Okay.
it, let me know, okay?
Okay, Miss. Miss, I finished the first question.
Angela, what did you say? I didn't hear you, Pute.
Miss, I finished the first question.
Okay. It seems like Lesandul have also finished. Shall we do the second question as well in one go? That way it
Okay.
will be easier for us to discuss. Okay, have you both finished, Pute? Take another 2 minutes and try to finish it off.
Miss, I finished the second question also.
Okay, Pute, well done. We'll wait for Nesandul. Nesandul, let us know once you finish. Okay, seems like both of you have finished. Let's discuss then. Question number 1, part 2. A student marked the 6 sides of a dice as A, B, B, and C. He did an experiment to observe the faces that turns up when the die is tossed up. The following list shows the result of experiment repeated 25 times. Copy the following table in your answer script and complete it using the above data. Okay, now we have 3 letters. So I'm going to write it A, B, and C. Okay, now we have to draw the tally marks. How many times do we have A? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, is it like this, Pute? Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, 8. Next we have B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that means twice like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, we have 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so your graph should look like this. Okay, so how many number of times? We have 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Why the color changed? Eight, okay. And here we have 10 and 5, 6, 7. Check your answers for there. Next one. What is the letter turned the greatest number of times? What is the letter?
Letter B.
Letter B. Well done. Next one. The following picture graph shows information about 5 types of fruits sold in a shop during a particular day. Type of fruits we have apple, orange, mango, pineapple, and guava. And we have the number of fruits represented in a picture graph. The number of oranges sold on day 12 on the day is 12. how many fruits have been represented by the square? Okay, now let's see oranges right here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 squares are representing 12 oranges. That means one square is representing what, Pute? We have to divide 12 by 6 in order to find it. What is the answer?
2.
2. So one square is representing 2 fruits. Okay. How many guavas have been sold? We have, wait a second, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. So 5 and a half means 5 times 2 plus half means 1. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 guavas have been sold. Next one, the number of pineapples sold is 7. Draw the picture graph for that. So how many squares should we draw for 7? How many squares?
Means 3 boxes and a half.
3 boxes and a half. Well done, Pute. Fourth one, if the selling price of an apple is 45, what is the amount of money earned from selling apples on the day? Okay, now how many apples do we sold? Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and half. 7 and half means how much? 7 times 2 plus 1. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 we get 15. So 15 apples were sold. Now, in order to find what is the amount, we have to multiply 45 with 15. So what is the answer?
675.
675. Yes, well done. Okay, Putte. Is it okay? Is the first question okay for you? Lesandu? Okay. Next question. 450 grams of wheat flour and 150 grams of chickpea flour are mixed to make a snack. Write down the simplest ratio of wheat flour to chickpea flour. So it is 450 to 150. So what is the smallest one?
Miss, I took 450 and 150 and first divided it by 15. Then I got 30 and 10. Then I divided it again from 10. And I got 3 and 1.
Okay, that is also correct. Or else we can divide this directly by 30 and we can get 15 and 5. Then we can divide it by 5 and we get 3 to 1. 3 to 1 is correct, Pute, okay? Next one. How many kilograms of weight is needed to mix with 500 gram of chickpea flour? Okay, now we know the ratio. Now they are saying 500 grams of chickpea is taken. Now they are asking us to find how many kilograms of wheat flour is needed. So it is, if it is 500, what is the amount of wheat flour needed? We have to multiply 500 with 3. So we get 1500 grams, or else you can also write it as 1 kilogram and 500 grams. Okay, Pute, is it correct? Check your
Yes,
answers and tell
miss.
me. Well done. Question number C. 10 snacks can be made with 200 gram of mixture. What is the quantity of mixture needed to make 60 snacks? So 10 snacks can be made with 200 grams. So they are asking for 60. What should we do? We should multiply 200 with what?
Miss 200 to 6.
200 to 6. Well done. So what is the answer?
1200 grams.
1200 grams. Well done, Pute. Last question. The price of $1 on a certain day is 145 rupees. What is the price of an electric appliance that costs $85 in rupees on that day? So we have to multiply 85 with 145. What is the answer? What is the answer that you get?
It's 12,325.
12,325. Well done, Pute. Okay, is it clear so far, Lasandul and Angela?
Yes, miss.
Okay, Pute, we have only 10 minutes left. So what I'm going to do, we have 3, 4, and 5. 3 more questions left. Okay, we don't have time to do this. So what will happen is after the lectures, you will get the answers for the following 3 questions. Okay, so you can go through them. All right.
Okay, miss.
All right, Pute. So that's it for today's revision, and I think this is our last revision for the term, and you will be facing the class exam soon. Okay, so that is the end of our revisions. Thank you all for joining. See you soon. Good night and God bless you. Sorry, it's good afternoon. Yeah, right? Okay. Anyways, have a good day and see you soon. You are free to go.
Thank you and God bless you, miss.